Hey my peeps, let's make some s'mores using foam clay. And this does not require any molds. You don't need any molds for this. All you need is a square cookie cutter. So you're gonna get your s'mores colored clay, and you're gonna cut out 2 squares, whatever size you want your s'mores to be, big, small, whatever size you want. So if your clay gets stuck inside the mold, just grab a piece of the clay and tap the clay lightly on the back of the mold, and that should help you release it. Okay, sometimes the clay is wet and it gets stuck into the mold. It doesn't matter if you use a plastic mold or metal mold, it's just the clay. Okay, sometimes the clay comes out easy. It is what it is, right? So you're gonna get you a brush. I got this denture brush from Dollar Tree in the toothbrush aisle, and I really like it. But anyways, you use that to get your clay to look like, you know, the cracker, like a s'mores, a graham cracker. So you're gonna have to like do this a couple of times, because you know, for some reason the clay it bounces back, so some of the texture is going to go away, and you're just going to have to go back and put the texture in again. Okay, so that's why I do it a couple of times, because the texture wasn't showing up that good. Okay, then you're going to get a toothpick or any pointy tool that you have, and you're just going to make those, you're going to score the lines down the middle of the cracker, you know, like the graham cracker has that score line. And then you're going to get a pointy, like a ball tool, or you could even use the toothpick as well, but it won't probably show up that good. You need something a little bit more round so you can see those holes at the top. Okay, on the top. So then you're just going to do that on both cookies, and then we're going to put in the filling. Okay, so you're just going to get you some white clay, roll it into a ball, and then you're going to flatten that ball. Okay, you're going to flatten it and try to stretch it out so that it kind of just barely comes out of the edge of those cookies. As you see here, you see it's like barely out of the edge. You just want to melt this marshmallow look. And then I got my chalk pastels. Now you don't have to do this part, but it just gives it a little bit of a dimension, and you know, but you don't have to do this part. And these chalk pastels I have for a very long time. I actually bought them at a garage sale, but you can find some online. So now I put a little bit of brown to give it like a burn mark, you know, like if you burnt your marshmallows. Just a little bit, not too much. You can put as much as you want. So now this is the mixture of caulk, Mod Podge, and paint. I use chocolate sprinkle as the paint color. And I put a little bit inside of a little tiny baggie with a small hole, a very small hole. And I'm just going to go around the edge to give that melted chocolate look. Okay. Now you can put it on the top and the bottom if you want, but I'm just going to put it on the bottom as the melted chocolate. Okay, and then I got my toothpick and I just spread it around a little bit, you know, make sure you got your areas covered. And basically that is it. It's so easy. You can make tons of these, and look how nice they look. Perfect for your tea tray. So hope you liked them, and I hope you found it easy to do. Go make you some and share it with me. Talk to you later. Bye.